Hey fellas, do you like big juicy Trixie Mattel?
You didn't know, did you? Yeah. Doesn't this feel like a boob? When you go to bed and you wake up on the floor. I swear there was... Really? That's that funny to you? Okay. The only thing that gets her going is the idea of a bed going up my ass. A bed up my ass.
Oh yeah. That's what it is. That's what it is. Oh my god. Oh my god. In the summer.
Before I go on stage, I have to change my rag. Should we talk about Afghanistan? We shouldn't. We shouldn't. Complex notes of fruit, floral, and nut in my butt? What?
But I don't know if I don't think I would, I think I have the self-control to like avoid it.
You think that you have self-control? Interesting developments down here in the studio. We're finding out new things about ourselves that aren't even true. Hi, I'm the chemical burn from the spiral perm, Trixie Mattel. What? You have the nerve! You have the nerve! You have a lot of nerve! That do take nerve. And then I had, I had to take off for a week.
What, because
Had to take off for a week. And then, also, because it was my first marathon, I made it.
What'd you say?
It might have even been a comp ticket.
I have done sexual things on the Brooklyn Bridge.
Nice bridge sex.
Just about to jump until somebody came up and flashed me.
Are you sad?
I love myself, but I don't like the way I am.
Becoming an adult person, you realize that the boogeyman is not real. The real boogeyman is what? Poverty.
Oh, I'm very, very afraid of bees. Very afraid of bees. Why is that funny? This isn't, I don't really respond to this very much.
You know what I mean?
Do you know? Do you even know? Well, I mean, with someone like the time we were at immigration.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I've always wanted to do one of those plays where I'm up there alone, which is what I do for a living, I guess. I do, one-woman shows. But something like I know. I guess I do. Never mind.
You do that, totally.
I go, that's a sickening blue lip. And I realize that's
Hypothermia.
The lip. Yes.
Yeah, hypothermia. Which
and
means
the front row is Jack from Titanic. He's on the front of the stage like this.
Rose is the stage manager. The unthinkable Molly Brown's doing lights.
Mama. Encino Man. The DJ is Brendan Fraser and Encino Man. And then the security is Austin Powers, Frozen. Yeah, you, it's your birthday. Do you know what I mean?
I love that. I love that.
Like making fun of people for having a birthday.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, your birthday. If the Lord can lead you to, He can lead you through it. Half a month, 6 a dozen is the answer. I love that one.
Well, I think a lot of gay guys they want like Venga Boys. If you're not fucking at Venga Boys, are you fucking Venga Boys?
Mambo number 5.
Yeah, Mambo number 5. Tub thumping. Chumbawamba. We'll be singing. Right when I nut. He drinks a whiskey drink. Yes, for sure. Vitamin C graduation. That's my list right there. I fucking love your axe wound, you whore. Aww. You know what I mean? Like, and straight people would be like, what? you.
You f***ing bitch.
Yes. Like, hey, bitch.
I f***ing love your axe wound, you
I
whore.
f***ing love your axe wound, you f***ing whore. Illy. You,
Still
world's
alive.
chunkiest ass. World's chunkiest ass.
God doesn't give with both hands, and I got this tight